I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the 4G plus aggregation support test and the 4G speed test comparison between both phones, which is a iQOO Z3 versus the Poco X3 smartphone, as you can see, friends. So let's see which phone will be having the better 4G plus connection and which phone will be having the faster 4G data as well. So that is what I'm trying to look in between this both phones comparison. I'll try to use a Jio SIM card, friends, in both phones, as you can clearly see here. So both phones have the same kind of Jio SIM card only. So this will be the indoor condition which I'm trying to test right now, indoor. So in this extreme indoor conditions, let's see which phone will be able to pick up the 4G plus aggregation and which phone will be able to deliver the faster speeds. That is what I'm trying to look. So if you're in the metropolitan city, then definitely you need to worry about this kind of things. So in the normal towns, then definitely, friends, you need to see which phone has got better speeds. And previously I did upload plenty of videos on the 4G plus aggregation speed test. As you can clearly see, friends, plenty of videos. Just type in the YouTube 4G plus Sai Tech Guru. You can find a lot of videos which are already uploaded separately. And let's get started, friends, with this kind of 4G plus aggregation support test and the 4G speed test. I'm trying to insert in this iQOO Z3, as you can clearly see, friends, iQOO Z3. And let me try to turn on the Wi-Fi as well. And right now same thing I'll be doing for the Poco X3 as well. So this is a Poco X3, as you can clearly see, friends. So let's see what will happen with the Poco X3. So let's see which phone will be able to pick up the indoor 4G plus data connection. That is what I'm trying to check. And I'll try to use these three applications meanwhile to test the speed and to test the connectivity and all the details as well. So let me show you exactly settings as well between the both phones. I'm trying to use the same kind of settings. So let me quickly turn on the mobile data and turn on the Wi-Fi as well. So let me show you exactly the SIM card network details as well in both phones. Let me show you exactly what is the settings. So the SIM details, friends, exactly what SIM I'm trying to use. As you can clearly see, I'm trying to use the 4G Jio SIM card in both phones. And at this point, I'm getting the 4G plus in this Poco X3. You can observe sometimes I'm getting the 4G plus, not every time. Let me try to quickly check the Nets Monster application. As you can see, friends, right now you can see the 4G plus aggregation coming in this Poco X3 in the indoor condition, in the indoor. So I know this, even the iQOO Z3 also supports the 4G aggregation. There is no doubt in that this phone supports, but indoors this the signals are really weak in the iQOO Z3 device. As you can clearly see, friends, there is no 4G connection. So let me try to open the quickly Net Monster application in both phones and show you the reality what is happening right now. As you can see, friends, right now the Jio is showing only LTE in the iQOO Z3 device, and whereas in the Poco X3 it's showing LTE. As you can see, friends, clearly. Let me try to use another application, which is a RX monitor application. So even in that application you will be able to see the difference as well. Let me try to quickly open the RX monitor. So here's the quick settings which I'm trying to select, and let me try to show you. So as you can clearly see, friends, in the Poco X3 you are getting the aggregation, 4G aggregation clearly. And in the iQOO Z3 device, you are not getting any kind of aggregation. Using the same Jio SIM at same location, at same place, as you can clearly see the proof what is happening. So same thing problem has happened with the iQOO 7 mobile, friends. Same kind of problem I did experience with the slow internet, like network signals issue in the iQOO 7 model. Same thing is happening even with the iQOO Z3 as well. Let me open the speed test in both phones. So let's see which phone will be having the better speeds. So 4G or the 4G plus. So that is what I'm trying to check in this video. I'll try to do the speed test, friends, in both phones. So first let me try to start doing the speed test in the iQOO Z3 device. So this is the iQOO Z3 which I'm trying to do using the Jio SIM card. So there is no 4G plus on the top, and I'm getting the speeds about 7 Mbps. This is the indoor testing. I'm trying to mention again and again, this is the indoor. So outdoor testing will be different. Then you'll be getting the 4G plus as well. I'll try to do that video separately. But right now these are the conditions, friends, as you can clearly see here. So 1.78 Mbps I'm getting right now. And the upload speeds are not so great. So upload speeds are not so great right now. I'm getting only 1 Mbps. So not much difference. You can clearly see the difference, as you can see. And let me try to do the test in the Poco X3. So here's a Poco X3, friends, and on the top notification panel you're getting the 4G plus aggregation. So let's see with the aggregation whether the speeds are increasing or not. This is the indoor type environment I'm trying to do in the Poco X3. So usually the Poco X3 has got a low internet signal problem. So that is a weird problem which is happening with the Poco X3 phone. So even in the low signal mode, the internet won't be speed in this Poco X3 model. So that is the reason. That is why you're seeing this kind of slow speeds. But if I try to use the same kind of method with other smartphone, the things will be completely different. I'll try to do a video as well very soon. So stay tuned for that video in case if you're interested for that. So right now, as you can see the speeds as well. So 1 Mbps I'm trying to get, and it's not even the upload speeds are not even detecting in this phone in the Poco X3. As I said, there's a problem is going on with the Poco X3 issues in terms of the internet speed. So whenever the signal is really low, the internet speed won't be higher in the Poco X3 model. So let me try to do the test at same time in both phones. So at same time I'm trying to do the test in both phones. So let's see which phone will be able to detect faster and complete the test faster. And right now, as you can see friends, iQOO Z3 is going the test with the 3 Mbps speeds and 4 Mbps speeds. The test results will be completely different if you're staying in the metropolitan city. The things will be completely different, but normal towns, definitely friends, the slow internet problem and the not getting 4G plus everywhere will be an issue for the iQOO Z3 users particularly. So make sure to stay tuned for the playlist and subscribe to my channel friends. And the playlist will be really helping you to decide whether to buy the iQOO Z3 model or not. So right now the complete test has been completed in the iQOO Z3 model, and the Poco X3 is still going on the test as you can clearly see. So in terms of the network, the speeds are really good in the iQOO Z3 device, even though it doesn't have any kind of 4G place, but still the speeds are great. I'll try to do another video with the 4G plus aggregation. So stay tuned for that video in case if you're interested to know more details. Right now, as you can see friends, these are the results. So 5 Mbps and 4 Mbps I'm getting right now, as you can clearly see. So let's see the upload speeds. Upload speeds I'm getting 0.16 Mbps only. As you can clearly see friends, these are the results. So thank you for watching this video friends, and that's it for this video. And the overall conclusion is that the iQOO Z3 cannot get the 4G place in the indoors sometimes. So there is another issue is there, which I'll be trying to talk in another video. So make sure to stay tuned for that video in case if you're interested. And whereas the Poco X3, even though it has got the 4G place, but still it is experiencing the low signal problem from previously from a lot of months. So I did plenty of videos on this Poco X3 as well. So let me try to show you a couple of videos which are already uploaded on the Poco X3, so you'll be getting to know a clear idea what is happening. So if you just type Poco X3 4G Site Guru, you can watch all my videos which I done already. So Poco X3 4G data fix and solution and everything, as you can see friends, from 8 months and from 6 to 7 months I'm experiencing this kind of slow internet speeds in the Poco X3 phone. So right now I got about 13 Mbps. I'm not sure how I got. So just now before ending the video, I recorded the 13 Mbps highest. That's so weird. As you can see friends in the Poco X3. I'll try to do the 4G plus 4G comparison side by side as well very soon. So make sure to stay tuned for that video in case if you are interested to know. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.